Hello everyone, I'm Luisa. Today I'm going to talk about the Chinese traditional festival, the Spring Festival. This time many workers who work away from home all year round will go back home to have a reunion dinner with their families, which comes out a phenomenon in China, the Spring Festival travel rush. There are many people at the train station or at the airport. Today I will teach you some New Year wishes. Okay, let's start. The first word is 新年快乐. 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 It means wish you have a happy new year. The second word is 万事如意. 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 It means everything goes your ways or have a good luck in the next year. The third word is 身体健康. 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 It means wish you have a good health. The fourth word is 财源滚滚. 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 It means abundant wealth. The fifth word is 年年有余. 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 It means surpass year after year. The sixth word is 恭喜发财，红包拿来。恭喜发财，红包拿来。恭喜发财，红包拿来。It means wish you wealth and prosperity. Give me some lucky money. Okay, after learning these words, you can send these wishes to your friends. For example, hey buddies, 新年快乐. Hey buddies, 万事如意. Hey buddies, 年年有余. Hey buddies, 财源滚滚, 身体健康. Hey buddies, 恭喜发财，红包拿来. Okay, that's for my today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you can give me a like or follow me and watch my video. See you next time. Happy New Year!